Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we've got a nice little Audi A3 convertible in. It's got a bit of damage to the door and the rear quarter. We've got a dent in the door there, if you can see that. There it is. And some lacerations to the paint all through that body line and then into the rear quarter. We've got a nice sized little dent going on in there that we need to take care of. Try and make this look nice. Plenty of work to be done. I've cleaned the car down. Always try and clean up what you're about to work on. Well, I do. And this has got loads of tar spots over this. There's one, another one down there, and littered throughout this door. Same again there, more tar, more tar. You will not remove that just by scotching it and cleaning it as such. So I'm going to use some tar and glue remover to get that off, and then we can start on the prep work. So I'm going to get that off first and then we'll get cracking with the repair. See you in a moment. There we go guys, just sanded that little ding out. That one just needs a little skim of filler, and this one here, I've pulled this to where I want it, ready for a little skim. I'll to get my camera in line, a few highs. I'm trying to be conscious of over pulling. I say this every time because it's easy to over pull the metal and then you end up with high spots rather than a low, and to fill over bodywork that you've pulled out, you want a little bit of a low spot so you can skim your filler over it, block it straight, if that makes sense. If you have high spots, then it's always going to poke out, so you need to get it right, and I'm trying to become the best I can be, if that makes sense. So I'm still learning, like I said a million times. I'm no pro, but we'll get there. Let's get a few skims around this and I'll see you in a mo. repair's done, and that repair's done. Quite happy with how that turned out. Let me get some panel white and I'll try and show you. Yeah, if you don't already know, if you wet your repairs up with a bit of panel white, it makes it a bit glossy, and then you can look down them and sort of have a little nose and see how well your repair's going to be. Yeah, should be good. It's drying out a bit now. She's ready for some primer. Happy with that? That'll do. Right, let's get the battery connected, get it off the ramp, make some room in the booth. Let's go and sheet this up and get some primer on it. See you in a minute. Right, we're all ready. Some primer on that. That's a Merc bumper I've been working on as well. Didn't really show you the Merc bumper. Sanding that down. That's a bit of a... It's a bit of a horrible job, to be honest. Supposed to have been a good bumper, and it turns out it wasn't. Right, let's go. Coats of fire build. Repair looks pretty good. I'll finalise the lines when it's done. No little ding. Obviously we've got to block that out. And yeah. Should look alright. Just a Merc C-Class back bumper, that one. That's had 3 coats as well. Right. We shall do a part 2 on this Audi, and we'll do the rest of the prep work and the painting on the next video. That is it from me today. As always, a massive thanks for watching, and we'll see you very soon on the next one. Stay safe and be lucky.